Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Deborah, and today I wanna show you guys my groceries and the Korean Mart. I have two boxes, and that one and also that one, and you can guess if how much all of that, guys. Yeah, if you wanna guess if how much, you can win a 100 pesos Gcash. Yeah, this is my promise. That's my change from the groceries. Yeah, and I wanna show you guys, and then I will open the boxes. See you around. See you in a bit. Ayan guys, this is the 10 kilos of Korean rice. Yeah, this is the Korean rice. Wait lang. Ayan, this is the rice, and the next, wait lang, and this one is ice cream. I wanna open and I will put to the freezer. I will first this one so that ice cream can't melt it. Yeah. You can guess if how much all of this groceries. If you want to guess, you can win a 100 pesos Gcash. Ayan, this is the ice cream, guys. Ayan, the Korean, and I have this one also. Yeah, a lot of ice cream. Yeah, my boss love ice cream. Yeah, me too, and I will put in the fridge. And next, this one is what this? Oh, have free, guys. Have free. I will open this one. Maybe I will eat this one because I feel hungry. And oh, this is kimbap. Have free kimbap. My boss is not here, he's going outside. Maybe I'm the one to eat this one, guys. It's kimbap. And this one is 1 tray of egg. Yeah, this is egg. Yeah, 30 pesos of brown egg. I hope inside can't broke. Yes, and next, I will open this box. I can open. Wait, it's so hard. It's so hard. It's so really hard. It's very hard. Very heavy, this box. And then I borrowed the trolley in the lobby. So heavy, guys. And yeah. You can see what's inside the box. I think this is inside the box is my mystery. Charot! It's not mystery. Yay! Open! This is inside the box. Have black rice, and the white and the black I will mix. Yeah, but because my boss love to mix the white and the black, and have a lot of snack, guys. This is the junk foods. Yes, and have chocolate, Ghana. This is Ghana chocolate. Yes, and oh my goodness, a lot of snack. Wait lang. It's so wait. And this is him. It's hard naman. Uy, I can see the and also the snack again. And yeah, snack. A lot of snack, guys. And this is a pepero. Yes. And this is ramen. Yeah, ramen. The ramen again. And also have, oh my god, frozen. What's this? Oh, this is ano, body wash. It's a big body wash, guys. Bakit yung camera ko, uy? The big body wash. And the ano siya, for the dishwashing liquid. Yeah, dishwashing liquid. And this one is, no, it's not dishwashing. Detergent for the laundry. Laundry detergent, liquid detergent. And this one is, what's this? It's a Downy. Yeah, this is Downy. And this is the liquid detergent. I'm so sorry naman. I'm not a Korean, guys. Yeah, and also this one, I have two liquid detergent for the laundry. And this one is for the dishwashing liquid for the plates. Yes. Yes, guys. And yeah, just waiting. And a lot here. Oh my goodness. This is the hot dog. Yeah, look at the hot dog. Hot dog. And the fish. Ayan. And the fish again. Yes. And one of my favorite also, guys, this is the corn dog. I requesting to my boss to buy corn dog. Yes. Corn dog, have two corn dog. I have two corn dog. This is what this? Like a potato. Yeah, potato, and this is a cheese dog. And also the hot dog. Yes. Wait, guys, I will put in the freezer. And this is oil. Yes, oil, guys. It's for cooking oil. This is oil. And this is drinks, apple juice, the orange juice, and the apple juice. And what's this? It's the sweet white peach juice. You can shake before you drink. Yan. And what this one is also drink, guys. Yes. I know how to read this one. Demi soda. Ayan. Demi soda. Demi soda. Sorry naman, I don't know how to read. Ayan. This is inside the box, guys. Yan. Waiting for I will open the other box. Next, I open the second box. Yes. Second box. Ano ba to? Hard. You can guess it's how much. Ayan. All ramen inside the box. Charot. Yeah, it's ramen, guys. Yeah, it's ramen. All inside. But, yeah. Inside the box is ramen. Yeah, ramen and have kimchi. Yeah, you're transferring the other box. Alright. This is nogori. This is nogori, and this is Shin ramen. It's super spicy. And this is chapagiti, guys. This one same chapagiti, Shin ramen, and the nogori. Chapagiti, Shin ramen, and this one is ano ba pangalan nito? I forgot the name, this one. Ano ba to, Jill? This one is, I forgot the name. Oh my goodness, nogori. This is nogori. Shin ramen. The ramen also. noodles, yan, a lot of noodles. And this one is milk. Is milk, guys. Yeah, I will put inside the fridge. And this is kimchi. Yan, I wanna open. You can see the kimchi. Yes. Ayan, this is kimchi. And this one is like a, I don't know what's this. This is a side dish. And also this one. Yeah. Have noodles. And this is the tofu. I have tofu also. I will put in the fridge. And this is tuna, the Korean tuna, guys. Samchi. Yan. I can't na lang. And this one is before doenjang jjigae. It's ready to cook. Doenjang jjigae, and also this one. What this? I don't know what's this. This is soup, guys. Ready to na lang siya, ready to cook. And ayan, to. I don't know how to read this one, a Korean. I will not put in the fridge. And yeah, ready to heat na to siya is yakijang. Yakijang. And also this one is doenjang mokok. It's very hard. This one is tea, guys. Tea. And this is Americano coffee. It's Acano coffee. This one is Maxim coffee, guys. Yeah, Maxim, and 100 pesos inside, and they can open this one if you wanna drink. Yeah, 100 pesos sticks inside this Maxim. This one. Yeah. And this one is a coffee also, Americano coffee. This is a sachet, liquid sachet is Americano coffee, that one. Cantabile sweet Americano. And this one is a sauce for the ano ba yun? Pork chop it's for this one, for the soup. And yeah, and that's it, everybody. And this is all my groceries. And that's all the groceries. And the other, I put the refrigerator. And you can guess it how much, guys. And yeah. And thank you so much for watching. And this is Deborah. Love, love, love. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.